Hey everyone! If you're trying to find RTC online for your property in Bangalore or anywhere in Karnataka, this video will really help you. Many people get confused because banks and offices don't accept normal RTC anymore. They ask for i-RTC. i-RTC is the official digitally signed RTC from the Karnataka government. And yes, this one is legally valid. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official website, landrecords.karnataka.gov.in. Please don't use any third-party sites. Once the page opens, click on Services and then select iRTC. Now log in using your mobile number and OTP. No Aadhaar, nothing complicated. After login, you need to enter your property details. Choose your district, taluk, hubli, and village. Then enter the survey number and HISA number if you have one. Next, click on Fetch Details. You'll see the RTC details on the screen. Just quickly check the owner name, survey number, and land area. If everything looks correct, go ahead and make the payment. The fee is just 85 rupees. You can pay using UPI, debit card, or net banking. Once the payment is done, simply click on Download iRTC. A digitally signed PDF will download to your phone or computer. This document has a QR code and is accepted by banks, courts, and government offices. One quick reminder: iRTC is mostly available for land or site properties. For apartments, RTC may not be available. And if the owner name hasn't been updated, make sure mutation is done. That's it. This is the easiest way to download iRTC online in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more property tips. See you in the next one.